Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Business planning is an important component of business success. You know how small medium enterprises identified in the CCH survey of small business a couple of years ago that business plans were one of their key services that SMEs were requiring accountants to provide to them. Well, what we do at ESS BIZTOOLS is we have developed a range of products that accountants and advisors can use to develop business plans without you having to spend the hundreds of hours in developing the forms, templates, questionnaires and articles on business planning, and obviously the associated staff training to get your team ready. In fact, ESS BIZTOOLS Business Planning package includes procedure control form to guide you through the overall process, articles on business planning that are targeted at both your team and also your clients, a briefing document to assist with obtaining quotations from other professionals that might be involved in the overall process, including a market review, marketing, export marketing, intellectual property strategies, legal issues concerning the business. There's also a pre-quotation form which gives you a summary of questions for you to have a conversation with your client about what their commercial aspirations are before you commence the business planning process. There's a quotation form which goes through every detail of the business planning process to ensure that you have thought of everything when you are preparing the quotation for your client. We then have 50 business planning questionnaires from customers to team to human resources to sales to your location, etc. And these have then been configured into 12 industry series of questionnaires to assist in the preparation of a business plan. And there's an agenda for each of these industry concepts for the think tank meeting, which is a very important part of the process, whereby the client would invite their management team and perhaps their whole team to attend a 1 or 2 day think tank review as to what is happening in the business. Because at the end of the day, this is your client's business plan. You're the facilitator. You're going to be well paid by the client for the preparation of this document, but I honestly believe that your role is to facilitate the process and to record what the team and other people are saying to you. So we then have a series of pre-prepared interview forms for you to utilize with your own team, to then talk to the client's team to get the feedback from them, the shareholders or partners in the business, what do they like about the business, what don't they like, where could improvements be made, forms for discussions with customers and also with other stakeholders within the business, all of whom will have an opinion as to the way that the business could improve its offerings. There's also a overview of what the business plan should look like at the end, and this is summarized in various articles. Remember that business plans are like maps for tourists. If your client has not established where they are going to go, how are they going to measure their progress along the journey over the next year, 2 years, 3 years in seeing how the business actually performs against the plan that they have originally prepared? And don't forget that once you prepare the business plan, it then needs to be actioned. So one of the key documents is the action plan, which identifies what has got to be done by whom and by when to ensure that this business plan is really implemented as a key document within the business. Now this is very interesting stuff for accountants, because all of your clients need to have a business plan. And at this stage, probably less than 20% have one. So there's a huge market opportunity for you. And the other very big market opportunity at present is that every one of the companies that aspires to be an early stage innovation company is going to require a business plan if they are going to be successful in raising investment funds from investors. So it's a double-edged sword as far as dealing with your clients. They all need business plans, and those who want to be considered to be an early stage innovation company so that they can raise capital that they would not otherwise have been allowed to raise. And also from the investor's point of view, they receive an attractive tax rebate and they receive an exemption for capital gains tax for 9 years. Those companies also require a business plan so that they can outline their vision, their strategies, and who is going to be the key people in the implementation of these strategies for the investors to read. We're conducting a special free webinar on business planning on Tuesday the 2nd of August at 12 noon Australian Eastern Standard Time. We also have an article on the key points within a business plan, and you can obtain that article together with registration for the webinar by going to our website www.essbiztools.com.au. Now you can subscribe to the ESS BizTools Business Planning package in one of two ways. You can subscribe to the overall ESS BizTools Gold package, which includes the business planning package for $2,970 as an upfront discounted payment for 12 months, 24/7 access, $2,970 including GST, or you could pay in monthly installments, 12 monthly installments of $261.80 including GST. Or if you would prefer to buy a product package at a time and implement it within your firm and then move on to another package in a couple of months' time, that's okay. You could subscribe to the business planning standalone package for $550 including GST. And you can use that package over and over again, 10, 20, 30 clients with business planning processes during the next 12 months. And when you consider that commercial price for business plans range from $10,000 to around $50,000, it shows you that you should be able to get your investment back very quick by being proactive and getting involved in the preparation of business plans. So I look forward to talking to you again on Tuesday the 2nd of August. Please join us for our special webinar on business plans. If you have any questions, please send us an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.